Well, hi folks, Kevin Ledoux at Ledoux Guitars, largest manufacturer of acoustic guitars and guitars period in the entire town of Triangle, New York. Now, I'm here to offer you something again. You may remember that 2 years ago or a little over, I offered acoustic guitar kits, but this time I'm going to outdo myself once more. Um, you know, I got them in stock right here. Here it is. Look at this, electric guitar kits. Now, I know you're looking at that pile of stuff and you're saying, what do you mean it looks the same as the acoustic guitar kits, but it's not. See, you can tell right there just by looking that there it is, electric guitar kits. And as usual, I will, if you buy one of these kits, I will send you a bottle of glue and some instructions about what a electric guitar looks like, of course, and we're throwing in a free set of strings. There's a set right there. But I know you're not convinced that this is the real thing. I know you're not really convinced that these are quality kits. So in the next segment of this film, I'm going to take you to the manufacturing plant where these kits are made, and you can see that we're serious. And here it is right here, folks. This is our manufacturing facility where these things are made. Now, I know generally factory tours aren't allowed because, you know, insurance regulations and all, but hey, I got you in. Look at this. This is a wonderful piece of equipment here, and it is designed for precision making of electric guitar kits. No expense was spared at all. And remember, you do get, you know, that free set of strings. Don't forget the free set of strings if you buy one of these kits. So contact me at any time. As usual, direct payment is fine. Money orders are fine. You know, any of the electronic methods that you got in mind, hey, it's all good. So contact me for one of your electric guitar kits at Ledoux Guitars. Only $1.298 a square pound, and we'll ship it right out to you. Supplies only while they last, folks. And please, no special orders, and I'm sorry, none of these kits are available in left-handed.